Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to track Temu orders. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you have placed any order on Temu, you need to simply go and tap open Temu. Now, once you have simply tapped open your Temu, you can go and tap on your order. So if you have ordered something, you need to simply go and tap open the your order section where you can find all the orders that are in your cart or are already shipped. After this, you can find the track option next to that particular item, and this displays carrier info, tracking number, and delivery status. Orders typically take 7 to 15 business days to arrive, so this way you can simply track your Temu order without any hassle. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.